Hey guys, Jordan here. In this video, I want to go over the best drone for real estate photography in 2021. Now, I'll go ahead and eliminate the DJI FPV. Although it is the funnest drone to fly out of these, I don't recommend it for real estate photography, so don't buy it if that's your purpose of getting this drone. Now let's move on to these real contenders. Now this has been my go-to drone over the last couple years, which is the Mavic 2 Pro. And then we also have the Mavic Air 2S, Mavic Air 2, and the Mini 2. So currently this one on Amazon for the Fly More combo is still $2,100. And this drone is starting to feel a little dated because it uses the DJI Go 4 app. And I like the more modern DJI Fly app, which is what these three use. It's a better interface. I think it's a better tool for shooting real estate photography. So for that reason, and that I think that this one is kind of overpriced for what it is now that the Air 2S. This thing used to be a awesome low light camera. It actually still is. But this thing does an excellent job shooting 5.4K in low light. And I tested that the other day. I was very impressed. Actually more impressed with the low light on this drone than this one. So anyways, this one right here comes in at $1,400 for the Fly More combo. I always recommend getting the Fly More combo for doing real estate photography because if you have more than one shoot in a day, you definitely want those extra batteries versus having to wait to recharge for one reason or another. All right, so this one is the Air 2, and then this is probably the drone that I recommend for most people getting into real estate. I just feel like most aerial services are done during the day, and it's not too common that you get twilight aerial requests. So this is probably the best option for most people, and it comes in less than $1,000 for the Fly More combo today. Now, if budget is an issue for you and you don't have a lot of money to spend, maybe you don't have the $1,000, then I recommend the Mini 2. This drone is awesome for less than $600. And out of all these drones, I'm most impressed with this battery life. And I would say the quality is on par with the DJI Mavic Pro, the original one. And it shoots 4K, and it has good quality photos and video, but I would say it's not as good as these two drones, and definitely not even close to the low light on this one right here. So overall, quick recommendation if budget is an issue, Mini 2. The one I recommend for most people getting into real estate aerial services, the Air 2, that'll get you covered on for most shoots. If you do low light, get the Mavic Air 2S at $1,400 for the Fly More combo. And I don't recommend getting this drone anymore now that this one comes out, unless you really need an adjustable aperture. Really, there's really not too many reasons why I would choose this drone over this one. So anyways, that's going to do it. I want to make it short and sweet and to the point. If you guys have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. More than happy to answer your questions, and we'll see you guys on the next one.